Hey YouTube, Freddy back again with another video. In this video we're actually going to be doing another mod to the Mustang, and this one is pretty easy mod, and I think it's very highly recommended that you do something because you want to prevent damage to your engine with this mod. And the mod we're doing is installing the JLT 3.0 oil catch can, and this just helps oil coming to your engine, oil fumes coming to the engine to get caught into the little catch can here, and it'll help prevent oil sludge build up in your engine. Now this mod's actually pretty easy to do. All you gotta do is remove this hose right here and plug that in the holes, the little hose connectors there. I'll move the GoPro closer so you guys can see better. Alright, so first you want to just kind of lift this up because it'll make it easier to stick your hand down there. Alright, so we should be able to work with that better that way. Really, you have just like a little clip right here. You pull it back and pull that out. The same thing here, the clip, it's in here. You can see it's gray. Pull it out. So that's the hose we're replacing with the catch can. I'm gonna put this one in here first. You may need to rotate these things around a little bit so that they'll fit in here better. Turn that one. Should just go on there like so. There we go. Push that pin back in. You'll kind of hear like a little pop once they're in. There we go. And this will help catch the oil fumes that come from here into your engine. And really, you want to check it every like 1,000 miles or so, or every so often. I don't drive my car that much, so I don't put that many miles on it, but I will keep you guys updated once I put a good bit of miles on it. Maybe, I don't know, maybe 500 miles. I'll check it out, take it out, and I'll give you guys an update on it. And this thing, I just hold on to it and see, just to hold on to it in case I ever get that off or move to another car or something, just for whatever reasons. All right guys, hope you enjoyed the video. It's a real short one, but if you could go ahead and subscribe down below, it helps a lot. And if you could give it a thumbs up if you like the video. If you have any questions, go ahead and comment down below. Till next time.